Toyota Matrix offers the carrying capacity of a compact SUV, but with car-like drivability. This affordable 2013 shows well and is in great condition inside and out. This compact crossover looks sporty from all angles and features tinted glass, a color-matched rear spoiler, and rear-mounted antenna. The hatch opens wide to reveal a spacious cargo area that includes convenient tie-downs along with additional storage under the floor. From the driver's side, the edgy styling continues with blacked-out trim and grille. For safety, the Matrix is equipped with ABS and traction control. The interior is roomy and well laid out. Everything is within easy reach, and the pattern upholstery is in top condition. Additional features include air conditioning, tilt steering, cruise control, power windows and locks, and an AM/FM CD audio system with steering wheel controls. The seats are nicely contoured, and in the passenger area there are 60/40 fold-down rear seat backs, allowing you to transport larger items or more gear. The engine bay is freshly detailed, and power comes from an economical 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine mated to an automatic transmission and front-wheel drive. Don't delay. Call today to book your test drive in this 2013 Toyota Matrix compact crossover or stop by for a look. We're at 1200 Leathead Road in Kelowna.